Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne and we're going to show you how to remove and replace the top engine mount. Now this is a weak spot on those, and if you check online how many people bought, you will know that this is a very weak spot. And we're talking about, okay, this top engine mount right here. Some people call it torque mount as well. That's the one that keeps the engine from going left and right. You can notice some vibrations, some engine movement. You can feel it in the cap when you're driving down the highway, especially when you give it gas all of a sudden. Now let me introduce you to the channel guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on this Cayenne, so please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also, we're uploading videos for other cars as well. If you need help with anything, drop a comment below. This is the brand new engine mount, and you can check out where we get our parts and tools in the description of the video below. Now, as you know, here you have all the covers, all the plastic dust covers. We will have a special video, check it out on the channel, how to remove them. The procedure is super simple and most of you know that. That's why we didn't show it in this video, but we will show you how to get to the mount. So, let's start on it now. What we need, okay, is on this side we need a 16mm socket for this nut right here, and we need a triple square socket. This is a triple square and it is a M12, I believe. Let me see, M12. You can find that one listed in the description of the video again. Now we'll hold the nut on the back side and remove the bolt on this side. Okay, perfect. The nut came out, bolt as well. We have one more bolt on this side, towards the back. So with the same 16mm, go ahead, remove that bolt now. Okay, this one will be really tight as well. Perfect. Now go ahead and pull the mount out. Okay, and check out. Okay, ours is completely cracked on the bottom. Okay, let's get the bolt or a screwdriver or something so I can show you how this thing is cracked. Okay, on top and the bottom there as well, inside everything's broken. So that's a very weak spot. So now, okay, all we have to do, get this one and install it there. You have to, okay, let's make sure which way it goes. So we removed it with that spot facing down, so that's how we're going to install it now. Okay, we'll get it in on the back side, get the bolt installed. Okay, perfect. And what we will do, we will actually start the front bolt as well, so everything is lining up, and then we will get both of them tight. Otherwise, you might not be able to install the front bolt. Okay, you have some adjustment there, so we'll need to get it really tight on both sides. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll do the front one first. Okay, we'll do them by hand later as well. Okay, this one is spinning, so we need to go ahead and okay, this is it right there. And now we need the one on the back side. Later, again, you have to install your dust covers. Don't forget to do that. Okay, perfect. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.